What is a task? A task is a job handed over from a treatment partner to the next step treatment operator to provide necessary RepTool information for the fraction delivered to him. In principle, a task is given for the delivery of a specific fraction in a definite time period, and the next step treatment operator approves with fulfilling the task that he has received the V fraction and what he has done with it. Background for the development of the task feature were arguments like confidentiality issues or economic arguments of the next step treatment operator. The next step treatment operator denies to provide information to the sending treatment operator. See option to fulfill a task as black box information. Or treatment companies are working together and provide their individual treatment results, e.g. a dismantler, a shredder, a separator of shredder fractions. See the option to work with open tasks.